We have, in our previous classes, talked about various techniques in selling. Normally, a successful salesperson will try to use the best of all the sales techniques and evolve its own technique. But there are, let's today try to define how many types of salespersons are there and how do they approach up and work. The first is called the instant buddy. People will be willing to buy more from someone they like. Salesperson who use this approach are warm and friendly, asking questions and showing interest in their prospect. They try to connect an emotional level with the prospective customer. This approach can be effective, but only in the right hand. Don't try to make friends with the prospect unless you really mean it. Otherwise, you will be termed as faking it. You will also need to do some follow through to demonstrate that you really like the prospect. For, let's say, chat about prospect's 11 months old baby during your appointment. You should follow up by sending a card or small gift on the child's birthday. Next is another approach of salespersons that's called the guru approach. Salesperson who prefer a more logical and less emotional approach often set themselves to task of becoming experts in anything and everything related to the industry. They position themselves as a problem solver, able to answer any question and tackle any issue with the prospect before them. The guru approach requires plenty of work, learning the relevant information, keeping up with the changes in that industry. But if you are willing to put in some time, it can do very well both in selling to your prospects and generating plenty of referrals. Once customers realize that what a great resource you are, they are likely to send friends and co-workers with questions straight to you. Next is the consultative type of salesperson or the approach. This approach combines the gurus and buddy approaches. The salesperson who elect to use the consultant approach present himself as an expert who has the customers best interest in mind. He or she knows about the company's product, and by asking prospect a few questions, she can match him up and produce a best product for his need. As this approach combines the best qualities of the first two methods, that is buddy and the guru approach. So you must be knowledgeable and able to make an emotional connection with your prospect. If you can manage these feats, your sales will go up like a rocket. Boom, boom. Next, we talked about the networker. Networker can be of big help for any salesperson. The dedicated network takes it to the next level by setting up and maintaining a web of friends, co-workers, salespeople from other companies, customers and former customers, and everybody else he meets. A strong enough network will create an ongoing flow of warm leads that can provide most or even all the salesperson's need. With this approach, you will find a great deal of time taken by cultivating of people. It's a highly effective technique for salesperson who enjoy various types of events, parties, and so on, and meeting new people. Just remember that you will need to reciprocate it by doing favors and sending leads fresh. Okay. So last category we'll define as is the hard seller. Best described as a scare the prospect into buying. The hard sell approach is what gives sales people their bad reputation. Hard selling involves getting someone to buy a product even though he does not want or need it. Method ranges from bullying, buy now or you will feel stupid tomorrow, to manipulation, if you don't buy from me, I'll lose my job, to the outright deception. This product has a much better safety record than the competitive products. No ethical person should use a hard sell approach. Sadly, there are still salespeople who use this approach of sales strategy, even though this results in customers who never buy again from this person. And sooner or later, a bad reputation for a company as a whole. Stick with one or more of the two approaches advises in this small lecture. Thank you. Again, the assimilation levels are low, but you hear the presentation on my website and you will not be a loser. You can take it from me. Thank you so much. A good day.